Yeah, yeah.
Hello guys, it's your girl Slay Queen, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install a wig from Afsisterwig from Amazon. Yeah. So this wig only took 3 days to get here, which is very fast shipping, so I would rate them a 10. This wig cost $127.88, which is affordable. Great wig for an 18-inch ash blonde wig. And it's T-part, which is still good. And it didn't have any smell. The very first wig I've ever gotten that didn't have a smell. So I thought that was really great. But let's get into installing this girl. I was very nervous about this wig color. I was like, I need to do something different. So I've never installed a very light wig like this. So, you know, it may not come out perfect, but I like practicing. I like trying. I don't like giving up. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it like how I do my other wigs, plucking first and everything. But, you know, you guys can put some tips down at the bottom to let me know, like, hey, this is what I should have done with a very light wig, because I'm still learning. So no one's perfect, but practice makes perfect. And this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to color in as my skin color with the lace so that it can match my skin. As I can see, these are already perfectly bleached knots, so I have that knot to worry about. So that part was, you know, a A1 for me. But as you can see, I colored in really well. Now I am going to start on my wig cap and try to give it a melt look as much as possible. Even though I wasn't so sure about this wig, I've gotten so many compliments from people. Oh my gosh, that color looks good on you. I like that hair. I like where did you get it? Like, I'm like, well, okay, hold on now, because I'm getting a lot of compliments on this wig now. So, and the wig is very soft. Like, that's one of the things that I really loved about it, that it was really soft. So that, you know, give it another 10 for that. So we're gonna give them a 20 just because of all these compliments, and the hair is still soft and smooth, because I know how some hair just get all crunchy, but this one is still giving softy. So yes. As you can see, I am applying layers, and you can see that how good my cap is melted down. This is a very close-up view, so you guys can see the reality. So this is great. I was starting to get a little irritated about how it was looking. I was just like, oh my gosh, I need more practice. So I'm just like, that's crazy of how, you know, I still can see the under part of it, and I was lifting it up too much. But I was like, okay, this is my first try with this type of wig, you know, I'll get it, so I'm not gonna stress myself out that much about it. So I was just cutting off the lace, trying to get it up close as possible. As you can see, I am pulling out the baby hairs, trying my best, because I'm like, okay, it doesn't look good just like that, because I might have missed a step of done something wrong. So I'm just like, I'm gonna have baby hairs across to cover it up. So this is what I tried to do. So you want to go in with your hot comb to flatten it out a little bit to give it a more better look and to look more smooth. So this is what I've done, and it started to become giving, so I was really excited. So yes, I decided to flat iron it because I wasn't sure if it was going to hold curls or not. But actually, a couple of days, I actually ended up curling it, and I liked the curls better, and it held curls, which was very awesome. And I like the curls more better than being straightened. So this is like the finished look that I've got. You know, it's a little giving, but like I said, I love the curls more because the curls was more giving.
Yeah.